start on the issue of the power of the Deputy Registrar on decide membership. Dr. L.P. Misra, learned counsel for the applicants, could not dispute the legal position that such a power is available to the Deputy Registrar under Section 4B of the Societies Registration Act 1860 as applicable in the state of UP. In our opinion, also the Deputy Registrar has failed to exercise his authority in this regard on the most important issue, which ought to have been gone into for holding of any fresh elections. Further, the fact that the previous election set up by Hriday Narayan Misra would not be recognized and fresh election deserved to be held was accepted by the fraction of Hriday Narayan Misra, including the applicant who was shown to be a member of general body as depicted by Hriday Narayan Misra. The applicant also did not question the authority of the Deputy Registrar to hold fresh elections. Parachin. In such a situation, if the Deputy Registrar was to hold fresh election and if objections had been filed against the membership again before holding of election on 1/9/2013, then the Deputy Registrar was under an obligation to have decided the issue of membership. It is apparent from the objection raised by the respondent number 2 at every stage that he had been contesting the very electoral college of 24 members of the Deputy Registrar, indicating it to be the fake list which was not adjudicated. Upon considering the objection of the respondent number 2 in the order dated 6/8/2013, in our opinion, this was a blatant flaw in the order of the Deputy Registrar, who under a wrong impression or otherwise a deliberate wrong procedure adopted by him, did not choose to decide the issue of the dispute of membership, and the Electoral College entitled to participate in the election. The decision-making process was therefore clearly vitiated, and the Deputy Registrar failed to decide an issue that went to the root of the matter. Accordingly, the learned single judge did not commit any error in exercising a writ of certiorari and issuing a direction to decide the matter again. We therefore fully endorse the view taken by the learned single judge on this court as well. Parachit. We, for all the reasons recorded herein above, decline to interfere with the impugned judgment, with a direction to the Deputy Registrar to decide the issue of the membership of the general body keeping in view the objection raised by the respondent number 2 from time to time, and after giving an opportunity of hearing to both the parties, since the principal government Inter College Ambedkar Nagar had continued to manage the affairs of the society after 13/3/2013 under the direction of the learned single judge, and which was not challenged, we do not find any reason to therefore with the aforesaid direction as well under the impugned judgment